we are building the B16 head today because we don't have all the bits for the bottom end.
No.
But basically, this is for Mattie Starlet, which has a Honda B16. Is it an A2?
Yeah.
B16 A2. This has been sat on the bench for God knows how long. Just never got around to doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much. The valves have already all been grinded. Well, grinded, I say lapped by Adam and myself and Mattie. We're just going to try and get the head built today. I unfortunately did not bring my camera, so we are using the mobile telecommunication device. But we're just pretty much going to time-lapse a lot of it. So to start, we're putting in the valve stem seals, which we have here. So their intake side and their exhaust side,
Yep. Which
you can tell by the black spring and the chrome spring exhaust intake. Is that right?
That is correct.
Let's do it. All the stem seals are now installed. We have the lovely valves to reinstall. These have already been lapped, as I've said, which was not fun. So all the valves, exhaust valves, no, intake valves, are in with the new stem seals. So now we need to put on the springs, the hats and the keepers, and then that'll be done for this side, and then we've just got to do the same on that side.
Beautiful.
This is what I've done on the 2J. There's probably easier ways of doing it. I know there is a tool that you can use, but essentially we've got this medieval looking valve spring compressor. One side goes on the valve, the other side has like a shallow area. It pushes down on the spring and the spring hat, and then you put on the keepers with some grease, which then sticks to the shaft. You put two of them on, then you let it off. And it's the most fiddly process in the world.
Yeah, as I'm learning.
Yeah, but obviously there's only 16 valves on this one, thankfully, rather than 24, but yeah, it's time consuming, but I suppose it's a cheap way of doing it. Use multi-10 for 10% off. Yo. So Jack is porting the Starlet head because he's a fucking idiot.
Every little horsepower counts to beat a Supra.
He wants to beat the Supra.
I have beaten a Supra.
I was misfiring. But that is getting done, and then we need to do exactly the same as what we've been doing with Mattie's head. And yeah, basically rebuild it all.
Lovely and smooth now, huh?
There's metal everywhere. It's just what you want when you're building a engine.
Engine.
But hopefully we can get these two both built today, and then we just need to pull the fucking head off the Starlet, don't we? The Lanza.
Yeah, we'll pull the engine out and then do the head.
Yeah, cool. Right, okay. All 16 valves are in. Are you happy?
Yeah. Took about an hour, maybe?
Yeah.
Very tedious.
Good for your first attempt, though. You've done a good job. Because I struggled a lot.
Yeah. Started getting a bit of a technique, but hopefully I'll only ever need to do it for my SR20.
Maybe not.
Maybe not.
But now that is done, all we need to do is put in all the rockers and stuff.
That's for another day, though.
Yeah, I've never done anything like this. So if this was a nice Super engine, 2J, you could just put your buckets on and you'd be done. Your cams go in. But no, it's a Honda, so it's just ridiculously hard with all the VTEC and shit, isn't it? So that'll be for another day. Make sure you subscribe so you can see the full build of the B16.
These Takata harnesses into my Glanzer, which is a unit. This is my parts garage at home. It is full of crap. From MX-5, Starlet, S13, Honda, Classic Mini. There's a spare SR20 down there. There's a dog here. So yeah, these are out of my Honda from a few years ago, but I might as well put them to use and put them in the the glanzer. And also need to get some tools out of the front garage. Got my classic Mini, which one day might have a Type R B16 in it, but I can only dream. A mismatch toolkit. This actually hurts my head looking at. So seen a 14, and let's get started. This is my brother's B16 Starlet. It's got my engine in currently, but he has got his own engine that he's fully building. Unfortunately, I think it's going to be for sale soon though. It's a really cool car. But the reason we're coming to dig into it is it's got my harness bar in it, which obviously I need for my glanzer. So I'm going to try to take that out and right, just disconnected the harnesses from the eyelets, and there's 4 bolts and it should come out nice and easy. Skip to that part. And that's the harness bar out now, so I'm going to put this thing back away to hibernate and go mouldy. Oh, lovely. It's sad really because it's such a good car, but he's got his PS13 now, so this guy just sits here and await some love.
Give me my chair back. I'll give you a lap dance.
You're the last person I'd ever want a lap dance from. Hi guys! Welcome back. Today we're back at the unit. Shocker. We're all a bit tired. Been at Skatey P, reliving our youth and all that. We're putting the ramp to good use for once. Owen's doing something interesting. Look at that.
Mate, you want to drop that another 2, 3 inches? Just take 3 inches.
Look at them. It's got holographic stickers, bro. Yeah, bro. Nice, isn't it?
I'll give you just a little bit.
So, what are these? Meister R's?
Yeah, Meister R's.
Look at that.
Hopefully, aren't they? Bloody gorgeous. 32 away adjustable, apparently. 9k front springs, 6 rears.
This is new Owen's Project Boy. It is an IS200 manual. Can you get IS200 in auto? Well, it's manual. Skiddy boy. Okay. Hey, I have one of those! So here is the stock boy. Getting the old Meister Renos on. Right, so Mattie's going to give you a rundown of the PS.
It's not finished, it never will be.
SR20. Not a slanty top boy, just a standard one. It is what it is. However, the front end was slightly bent. Luckily the actual main rail wasn't, so we're alright there. But we're done tubes. Still needs cleaning up, still needs finishing. Brackets for the headlights are all done.
Custom
Beautiful.
made, bro.
Just use the other ones because they were bent. However, the actual mounting. Engine bay is absolutely grim.
Like a dusty U.
Still got AC there, so we're bougie, we're alright in summertime.
3-piece wheels.
3-piece wheels.
Do you know what they are?
I can't remember now, it's been a while. Marine, however you pronounce that properly. However, they are still welded, so.
Dusty interior, bro.
At least she's not mouldy, unlike Jack's car and
It's
others.
just not winter yet. Just you wait until it gets a bit damper in here.
Damper, yeah. The boot will actually fly.
Caught.
We did repaint it all and cleaned up the surface rust.
Wait.
Again, getting a light on there. So it's all fresh in here now. Just need to redo the wiring for the reg plate. Apart from that, it's pretty much sorted. Needs to mount the battery somehow.
That's pretty JDM, man.
Yeah, proper secure, proper nice.
Is that home?
Yeah. I can't remember who gave it to me. So there we are, ship PS.
Oh, at least you have a bit of shit for it.
Yeah, well, hopefully next year she will be running.
What colour are we going?
Frozen pink off of a Porsche with a red pigment over top of it. So hopefully it'd be pretty hot by. Needs lowering still, however the coilovers are seized solid, so they'll need to be ordered. But yeah, just struggling with motivation.
As per usual, so please leave a like and subscribe.
Fund it.
And then we can fund it, yeah.
Yeah. She does some good things.
Look at that.
Little brackets and stuff.
Look at that, bro.
Oh, innit? I just need to get this fucker up here now. Move a jack under it or something.
I don't think we've got a jack that goes that high.
I know. You know what I mean though? Then,
Nay.
It is not looking good, Brev.
The ears ringing.
So what's going on there, Owen?
It's just really rusty, I think.
Cracking day, mate.
I'll still drink it.
Been there before. I've been there for. Oh, dear, man.
I'm a flat to get your fucking battery in it or something.
You've done it?
Just took another one out.
You took the camber one out?
Yeah.
Right, then if we can...
Alright, mate. Welcome to the Lexus IS200 coilover fucking install.
Better stump on the Barbie, mate.
All back me, man.
Fucking dropping loose game.
Loose gear. This one's gonna come out.
Right, pull that hand. Don't worry about it. There we go. Right, this one's practically out. I'm just gonna really.
Oh, look at that. Numero uno, numero dos.
I knew he was about to give up.
Oh, I hate them fucking. My GS3 ones are
It's a
like
good
that.
job that those big boys came over there.
Oh man, the rear space on the rear for sure.
Oh, I've got the 15s over there as well. When the Lexus is rocking, don't come fucking knocking these. What the fuck is, what's going on here? Trike.
Right, strap that down.
Oh, this is Tesla Swapped S13.
Oh, now get the camera on.
This would be a VR.
Yeah. This is fucking content, man.
This would be a VR thing. Get your chauffeur in.
It's like a seat, isn't it? Out gear.
What?
I haven't got a hundred gears fixed
Is that out gear?
I'm sure. I haven't got a gearbox too.
This is out gear. I can't even turn the fuck out.
What the fuck? Come on, King, you're our biggest one here, man.
One sec, it's coming off. I guess the speed of that ball.
Look, the bump. And she's of her. Look at that, man. Whoa, whoa! Amelia, what are your thoughts on this? Fucking scooter. Right, can you just look at me for a thumbnail, Jack? Thumbs up.
Not their blood. Like it's headlight. Okay.
Oh! You guys are big.
There you go. Right, go straight back now, it should.
Fucking drift car life, innit?
This is good.
Can we jack the bullet?
Farm, really, there. We'll go all the way back, then we'll go forward.
Come on, keep her coming. Keep her coming. You're very strong.
Let's go that way
man.
forward.
Big lad. What are your thoughts?
I'd love to weld, but I just don't know where to go.
They're doing a very good job. Again.
You guys, you here rent free.
I'm never here.
That's true.
There we go. Right, now go straight back for good.
That was all you, that.
Oh my god.
Let's do a bit of turn. Do a bit of. Which I'm pushing towards you.
Yeah.
Right, 3, 2, 1.
Woo! Well done.
Easy. Right, just go straight backwards.
They do some pretty ropey things in there. That was close, but it was alright.
I can literally do it like this now.
Well, look at the light in it. Wow.
What the fuck's this thing?
All the light with no engine.
What's this?
Something to do with the fuel tank.
No, it's a difficult one.
Really?
Yeah, difficult one. Goes back to the diff.
Yeah, this is perished.